Unleash your creativity with the Harvey T40 woodworking lathe. Designed for both hobbyists and professionals, this lathe offers a 14-inch swing over bed and 24-inch between centers, accommodating a variety of projects. Its industrial servo motor delivers consistent torque and speed, ensuring smooth operation. The lathe's robust construction and precision engineering provide stability and accuracy, allowing you to craft intricate designs with ease. Elevate your turning projects with this high-performance lathe. Specialized for sports flooring installations, the Sports Turbo Groover is a specialized tool designed to groove sports flooring efficiently and effortlessly. It ensures a consistent, uniform groove regardless of the installer's applied weight, making it ideal for various sports flooring materials. Its user-friendly design simplifies the grooving process, enhancing both speed and accuracy. Built with durability in mind, this groover withstands the demands of professional use, ensuring long-lasting performance. Elevate your sports flooring installations with the precision and reliability of the Sports Turbo Groover. Enhance your leveling tasks with the KAPRO 946 Smarty OPTIVISION Red Pocket Level. Its patented OPTIVISION or RIDGID technology provides unparalleled vial visibility, making bubble edges up to 8 times easier to see than standard vials. The cast aluminum body ensures durability, while the finely milled base and rare earth magnets offer superior stability and accuracy. Compact and robust, this level is an indispensable tool for professionals seeking precision in tight spaces. Its ergonomic design and belt clip add convenience, ensuring it's always within reach during your projects. Streamline your fencing and landscaping tasks with the easy Petrol post driver. Powered by a reliable Honda 4-stroke engine, this portable and lightweight tool allows a single operator to drive posts up to 4 inches in diameter efficiently. Its high-impact hammer action, delivering 1,120 beats per minute, ensures rapid and effortless post installation across various terrains. Manufactured in Australia, this post driver is built to withstand rigorous use, offering a 5-year warranty for added peace of mind. Whether you're working on agricultural, construction, or residential projects, this tool enhances productivity and reduces manual labor. Streamline your measuring tasks with the HONGDUI Multifunction 3-in-1 measuring gauge. This tool combines a ruler, protractor, and depth gauge into one compact device. Its clear scale markings and adjustable components allow for precise measurements in various applications. The durable construction ensures longevity, even with frequent use. Whether you're setting angles, measuring depths, or marking distances, this gauge enhances efficiency. Upgrade your toolkit with this multifunctional measuring solution. The Evolution Power Tools. Fury 6 is a versatile saw designed for both woodworking and metal cutting. Its powerful motor and multi-material cutting blade allow for seamless transitions between different materials. The adjustable cutting angles and depths provide flexibility for various projects. Safety features, such as the blade guard and ergonomic handles, ensure user protection and comfort. Its compact design makes it suitable for both workshop and on-site tasks. Enhance your cutting capabilities with this reliable and efficient saw. Support your projects with the Evolution Power Tools. Compact folding saw horses. These sturdy saw horses provide a stable platform for cutting, sanding, and assembling tasks. Their folding design allows for easy storage and transport, making them ideal for both workshop and job site use. The robust construction can support substantial weight, accommodating various project needs. Non-slip surfaces ensure materials stay securely in place during work. Invest in these sawhorses to enhance safety and efficiency in your projects. Expand your routing capabilities with the FERM router table, Universal. This table provides a stable and precise platform for a variety of routing tasks. Its universal design accommodates most routers, offering versatility for different projects. Adjustable fences and guides ensure accurate cuts and profiles. The sturdy construction minimizes vibrations, enhancing control and precision. Incorporate this router table into your workshop to achieve professional quality results with ease. Maintain razor-sharp edges on your chisels with the MPOWER FASTTRACK Chisel Sharpener MK2. This sharpening system ensures consistent and precise angles, extending the life and performance of your tools. Its user-friendly design allows for quick setup and operation, making sharpening tasks efficient. The compact size makes it convenient for both workshop and on-site use. High-quality materials ensure durability and long-term reliability. Keep your chisels in optimal condition with this essential sharpening tool. The WolfCraft adjustable hole saw offers versatility for creating holes of various sizes in different materials. Its adjustable design allows for customization, reducing the need for multiple hole saws. The sharp teeth ensure clean and precise cuts, enhancing the quality of your work. Durable construction withstands frequent use, providing long-term reliability. Whether you're working with wood, plastic, or soft metals, this tool adapts to your needs. Simplify your drilling tasks with this adjustable hole saw. Achieve unparalleled accuracy with the Woodpeckers' inDexable square system. This versatile tool offers multiple configurations, ensuring precise 90-degree angles for your projects. Its adjustable design adapts to various woodworking tasks, making it indispensable for both professionals and hobbyists. Crafted from high-quality materials, it guarantees durability and reliability. Say goodbye to guesswork and elevate your precision with this innovative square system. Simplify your worktop installations with the trend KWJ 900P Pro multi-material worktop jig. Designed for versatility, it accommodates various materials, ensuring seamless joints every time. Its user-friendly features make it suitable for both seasoned professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The jig's robust construction ensures long-lasting performance, while its precision-engineered design guarantees flawless results. Transform your kitchen projects with this essential tool. Tackle a wide range of cutting tasks with the Evolution Power Tools Reciprocating Saw. Its powerful motor and variable speed control make it ideal for cutting through wood, metal, and more. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, reducing fatigue during extended use. Quick blade changes enhance efficiency, allowing you to switch tasks seamlessly. Whether you're demolishing or constructing, this saw is your reliable partner. Experience precision cutting with the Presch Fine Saw 250mm. Its sharp, finely toothed blade ensures clean cuts, making it perfect for detailed woodworking projects. The comfortable handle provides excellent grip, allowing for controlled, accurate strokes. Lightweight yet sturdy, this saw is designed for both intricate tasks and general-purpose use. Enhance your toolkit with this essential handsaw for superior craftsmanship. Achieve smooth, flawless finishes with the Milescraft 1620 SandPlane. This ergonomic sanding tool fits comfortably in your hand, providing control and precision. Its versatile design accommodates various sandpaper grits, making it suitable for multiple surfaces and materials. The SandPlane's durable construction ensures consistent performance, helping you attain professional quality results. Simplify your sanding tasks with this indispensable tool. Ensure perfectly square corners with the Milescraft 4011 8-inch ClampSquares. These handy devices hold your workpieces at precise right angles during assembly, ensuring accurate joints. Their robust construction withstands clamping pressure, providing stability and reliability. Easy to use, they are ideal for both novice and experienced woodworkers. Enhance the quality of your projects with these essential clamping aids. Enhance your TrackSaw's versatility with the Milescraft 1410 TrackSawSquare. This attachment allows for precise, repeatable 90-degree and 45-degree cuts, expanding your cutting capabilities. Its compatibility with various TrackSaw systems makes it a valuable addition to any workshop. The TrackSawSquare's sturdy construction ensures durability, while its intuitive design simplifies setup and use. Achieve professional results with this innovative accessory. Streamline your measuring tasks with the Woodpeckers 6-in-1 pocket and shop gauges. This multifunctional tool combines 6 essential measuring functions into one compact design. Whether you're gauging depths, marking distances, or checking angles, it offers precision and convenience. Crafted from high-quality materials, it ensures accuracy and longevity. Keep this versatile gauge within reach to enhance efficiency in your projects. For precise tile cutting, the RIDGID 8-inch wet tile saw is an excellent choice. Its powerful motor and premium diamond blade ensure smooth, accurate cuts through various tile materials. The saw's innovative water management system minimizes mess, keeping your workspace clean. With a robust build and user-friendly features, it caters to both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Elevate your tiling projects with this reliable and efficient tool. Introducing the HP6FX Mini Multiplane by Bridge City Toolworks. A masterpiece of design and functionality. This versatile plane offers multiple configurations, allowing you to perform various planing tasks with a single tool. Its precision engineering ensures smooth, clean cuts, enhancing the quality of your work. The ergonomic design provides comfort during extended use, while its aesthetic appeal makes it a standout addition to your tool collection. Experience the fusion of art and craftsmanship with this exceptional multiplane. Achieve precise measurements effortlessly with the Woodpeckers Pocket T-Square. Its compact design ensures portability, making it a staple in any woodworker's toolkit. The clear markings and sturdy construction provide accuracy for both novice and experienced artisans. Whether you're marking cut lines or checking angles, this tool enhances efficiency. Its anodized aluminum body ensures durability, promising years of reliable use. Elevate your projects with the precision this T-Square offers. Inspect your work with clarity using the Infinity Eye-Gauging 6x Folding Loop Magnifier. This magnifier offers a 6x magnification, allowing you to see fine details with ease. Its folding design ensures protection and portability, making it convenient for on-the-go inspections. The high-quality lens provides a clear, distortion-free view, essential for detailed work. Whether you're examining wood grain or checking for imperfections, this tool is indispensable. Enhance your precision and confidence in your craftsmanship with this reliable magnifier. The Presch Combination Square is a versatile tool designed for accuracy in measuring and marking. Its stainless steel blade and adjustable head allow for precise 90 degrees and 45 degrees angles. The built-in spirit level ensures your projects are perfectly aligned. Whether you're measuring depth, marking miters, or checking flatness, this tool adapts to your needs. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended use. Incorporate this combination square into your toolkit to achieve professional-level results. Simplify deck installations with the KAPRO Pro Series guides for edge fastening. These guides ensure screws are driven at the optimal angle, securing boards without visible fasteners. The result is a clean, fastener-free deck surface that enhances aesthetic appeal. Compatible with various board widths and materials, these guides offer versatility for different projects. Their user-friendly design reduces installation time and effort. Achieve professional quality decking with the precision these guides provide. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.